Ah, so, welcome to my yard. As often in Florida, it's raining and the sun is out. So this is where I live and spend most of my time. We grow avocados and grapes and mangoes and coconuts. This is my compost bin and my volunteers. I have tomatoes and a happy little squash that decided to come out of my garbage. And we have bananas, big fat bananas, and herbs, and whimsy. Have to have a little whimsy. Mm. This is my little girl, isn't she dear? And the walk to the hot tub house. And then the other walk to the jungle. As you can see by the light, the sun is out. They say that's because a witch is getting married. So this is my sanctuary. This is where I come when I want to take a little snooze, or take a hot tub, or if I just want to follow the yellow brick road and listen. It's a wishing bridge. Come, let's make a wish. What shall we wish for today? Joy, harmony, peace, love, kindness, appreciation, acceptance for all. It's a big wish. And then there are the secret places that one can go in my jungle garden. Places where I go when I want to run away from home. Shh. They'll never find us. Duck. Just keep daydreaming, kids.